Zoom. Zoom. What is up, everybody? Today, sales are looking fantastic. So, it's actually been, I feel like, I don't know, because you guys have to realize that me recording these videos and by the time they get like posted, it's like the time difference a bit different. So, like, I feel like it's been a while since I've recorded a video or update. But yeah, we've dealt through like a bunch of issues with this store right now, with ad account bans, ads getting rejected, blah blah blah. But it has all been solved. Okay, so we got the agency account. I don't know, maybe I left off by saying I got an agency account. It's been a few days and it's been all working fine. I strongly suggest anyone to get an agency account. I have so far such a good experience with them, or not just specifically the one that I'm using, but I think with any agency account, it's so good. And the reason being is, look, I'm saving money with VAT taxes, blah blah blah, because I live in Canada, blah blah blah, all that. But take that out of consideration. There's no headaches. I think I've gotten like 10 to 15 ads rejected, but my ad account's still up and thriving. You know, like if I would get 1 or 2 rejected on a regular account, my whole ad account's banned. But this one, I keep posting, it gets rejected. I make a bit of like I make a little change, post it, gets up and running. You know, again, like I've gotten so many ads rejected, but I just keep posting them and they eventually get accepted. It's such a game changer, you know, and we've been running them up. So today we're looking at, it is currently 12:30, it's lunch, and we're already at 2.8 in sales. How much did I spend? I don't know. Actually, I can't check because my computer, whatever. But I think I've spent close to 1,000, maybe a bit less, 800, 900 last time I checked. Look, I'm even looking at this right now. 5.17 conversion rate. Black Friday, man. Q4, I love you. You're treating me so well lately. It's amazing. But again, I'm kind of in the middle with my product. So obviously this product's printing for me, and I'm going to keep it running because it just keeps printing, right? Now, the quality of the product is not the best. And now, look, I hate to say it, but like, obviously you have to check the quality of your product. And, you know, I'm going to sound very kind of, what's the word? Like, I'm going to be kind of like contradicting myself, a hypocrite. Like, I'm selling a product that I know the quality is not good. But hear me out. One, obviously, like I'm human, okay? So the money coming in, it just feels and looks good, and it works, you know? And it's not like I'm completely scamming people. Like, I'm not shipping the products. I am shipping the products. Technically, I'm just a fucking shit business. And, you know, if I were to not touch anything and just keep it running, this business would die in a very short period of time because, you know, a real good business provides a good value product. And now the product, it's still a product. It does what it's supposed to do. It's just the quality is not there, right? And I'm in the middle because it's like, I'm in a very unique position because my product is actually a very unique product. And if I were to get it to the quality standards as it should be, I will need to get it made, like custom made. And like, it's just something that I'm kind of like, should I take the risk for it? Should I start sourcing out like a supplier that makes custom products that are located, that have like U.S. warehouses, so shipping times reduced to half, let's say. The quality dramatically increases, but the price of COGS increases as well. I probably have to order, you know, units up front, let's say a minimum 100 units, which will be like thousands of dollars I have to put up front, not knowing if I'm going to sell. You know, like it's now that I have this drop shipping store, basically the real question is, should I start branching out and expanding it to a more brand, a more business now? And I'm debating, because it's like, yes, although it's working very well, it's Q4, it's Black Friday. Like, in my head, it's like, is that the reason why it's doing so well? Will it die within like a few weeks, maybe a month or two? You know, because to get all that like sorted, like to get custom made products, custom packaging, U.S. warehouses, to go through each and every supplier and trying to find them, it'll take easily a month. You know, like custom product, like a custom, like it's not the product to meet this quality. It doesn't exist. I have to literally make a custom product. I have to fucking tell a supplier, like, make me for my business, right? So it's like, should I take that route? Should I just, while this prints on the side, start looking for another product for the brand that has higher quality, that will be able to, that I can see scaling in a longer term? I don't know. I'm kind of doing both. Like, I'm dipping my toes in both. Like, I'm testing with some products on the side. I'm looking for other suppliers, trying to see if I can increase quality. Like, I'm kind of doing both and trying to see like what ends up working, I guess. But right now, I'm just printing, like it's coming in, and it's so good. It feels like finally, things are folding into place, and I'm just super, super excited on the future. Like me and my friends were talking in real life, and the plans we have, and it's like, it's amazing to see like all the goals that you've set start to, like, the stars start to align. Like, you can actually see it coming into place, and it's like, holy shit, everything I said is going to happen, even within the exact timeline that I gave it, right? It's just so, I don't know, it's like, sometimes it's like a moment where I'm like, yo, is this even real life, and I can see, like, I can start seeing people, like, in my real life, like family, like cousins and aunts, uncles, whatever it is, start like reacting, giving comments, and it's like, it's everything that I expected it, like, it's just so funny. But basically, I just want to keep you updated. Like, I think I'm actually gonna hit a 5K day, no joke. I think I'll hit 5K. It's half the day is gone, or not even, like less, and I'm already at 2.8. So I think we're gonna hit a 5K day, and profit margins are insane. The AOV is good. Offer. I honestly, I've been yapping about my store for so much, just giving everyone like the basic principles of what makes it, of the reason why this is a winning store, that I feel like I'm just repeating myself, and I don't know what else to say. If it's the first time you're watching this, or you didn't watch the other videos, go check the other videos. I give more advice there. To be honest, this video is just me like giving you an update, like literally giving you an update. Did I get more sales while I had this call? I don't know, because I can't hear the rings anymore. No, I did not. But we're still sitting at a 2.8, 32 orders, a 5.12% conversion rate is insane. Like, how could I stop? How would I be able to stop this product? This product's printing so well for me. I think I just gotta, day by day, try to figure out like what's the best moves. I'm doing my best on both, like I said, testing products and trying to improve quality, whatever it is. So I'll keep you an update on this. I haven't gotten any refund requests, so I've actually even gotten emails saying like influencers emailing me saying, I'd love to like promote your product. I'm like, bro, what? Yo, I don't even know if I should. Like, with this quality, they might be disappointed. But unless it's just in my head, like, maybe some people like say like, you know what, like, yeah, it's fine. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Right now, all I'm doing is just enjoying the process, joining the journey, and just trying to get better every day. That's all it is. It's really simple. Enjoying Q4, enjoying Black Friday. It's like, I have honestly nothing else to say, to be honest. These daily videos are gonna be kind of like, I've said everything. I don't know what else to say. I have a video coming out. I have a video literally doing a case study on my store coming out soon. So stay tuned for that, for sure. That's gonna be huge. But besides that, bro, let's just print, guys. It's all possible. Like right now I'm in the position not to teach as much still. Like I still don't feel like I can teach as much, even though, trust me, I've learned recently that I have a lot of good information, worth more than what people are charging. Like, like I have stories. I'm not going to get into it. I mentioned it in my Discord lives, but like I know there's people charging like $20, $50, $100, whatever, and I actually do believe that I'm even giving more value for free or just on my small fee Discord, so I do feel like in a good position to give advice to some people, but still, my goals are very high, and I still don't count myself as like a mentor or teacher. I'm just right now in the position to motivate the fuck out of you, saying like, look, if you can literally go back, I have proof. Me recording daily of my journey, shit working, shit not working, shit failing constantly every day, all the struggles. And now that it's starting to work out, like it's possible. I'm just a regular guy at a fucking desk in his parents' basement, like it's fucking possible, guys. That's literally the only thing I can give you right now is motivation. It's possible, bro. Just keep fucking at it. I'm not giving you any bullshit guru advice like, yo, this strategy is good, amazing, but it's all bullshit. All you gotta do is fucking work your ass off, bro. Show up every day. You will not miss a lucky day if you show up every fucking day. What if that day that I found this product, I decided, you know what, I'm fucking tired. I don't feel like doing product research. And then maybe the day after I get back at it, but it didn't pop up on my screen. Like it's just every aspect of your life is correlated like to the tiniest detail. So even if I were to even take maybe a fucking nap that day, I wouldn't have found this product. So it just goes to show that if you just show up every day, you cannot miss a lucky moment. Just fucking work, bro. That's all it is. Anyways, hope you found some motivation, and obviously I'll fucking check the Discord, bro. Trust me, sauce in there for sure. But besides that, obviously I'll see you at the motherfucking top.